Come see Mama. Come on, buddy. Good job. Now you just gotta roll over. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Come see Mama. Oh, you're getting so close. Come on. You need help? Just a little? Here you go. Come on. Come see Mama. You did it. You made it to Mama. Good job. You're so smart. Are you proud of yourself? Yeah. I love you. It's getting blizzardy out there. Seb and I are off to get the dogs. Ready, buddy? Let's go. Hey, Seb. What are you doing? Are you in the Amouti? I'll get Papa to fix your hat for you, okay? It's you. Somebody decided to skip his afternoon nap. So it looks like we're not making it to church tonight. Hey, baby? You ready to sleep now? Maybe. Okay. Okay, I have to document this. You're using instructions for his new table saw. It's moments like these that I really love my husband. He got a package in the mail today, and he was slow opening it, and I just finished putting Seb to sleep. He bought Seb a castle. Alright, buddy. Your Lovevery box is here. This is the Explorer box. Whoa. Where's Seb? Peekaboo! Where's Seb? Peekaboo! Got that? Got that? There you go. took just about forever to get here because of the way the mail is right now. But I finally got my new shirt from Hudsy+Dex. Look at it! Oh, I love it! So I got this from Hudsy+Dex. The owner is a teacher in Baker Lake that I met when I was there. And I just love her stuff. I'm so happy that I was able to get something. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. And the shirt looks amazing. I love it so much. Thank you, Taylor. I will definitely be buying from Hudsy+Dex again. This is not sponsored, but just one mom promoting another mom. Hi, Seb. What are you doing? Are you sitting? Good job. It took me a few days to capture this on video, but when he first did it, I cried. This boy has had a lot of trouble using his left hand, and we've been doing a lot of work with it. And he finally started passing things from his right hand to his left hand. He mostly does it with these rice rusk crackers at this point, but we're slowly starting to see him do it with other things as well. I am so proud of my boy. He's doing a great job.
Pizza. You want more pizza?